This MacBook Pro is completely dead. No power, no LED, won't turn on. Check the charger and cable for frays, kinks, or bent pins. Use a known good charger and different outlet, then wait 2 minutes. If no indicator appears, try a power cycle. Hold the power button for 10 seconds. For Intel models, reset the SMC. Press Shift Control Option and power for 10 seconds. To reset NVRAM on Intel, hold Option Command PR for about 20 seconds. If comfortable, open the case and check the battery and board connectors for loose cables. Reseat the battery connector, then try powering on with the charger connected. Inspect the logic board for burn marks, corrosion, or swollen components. If you can, measure power rails with a multimeter or contact a technician for diagnostics. A persistent no power condition often indicates logic board failure needing board level repair. Next steps: backup data if possible and seek Apple service or a certified repair shop.